Okay, now the next thing we are going to talk about in this video is casting. Casting is used to convert a variable from one type to another or from one data type to another. Let's see an example involving casting. I will first start by declaring a variable of type double called s, and I will set it to 3.2. Now I am going to declare another variable which will be an integer, and I will name it n. And then I am going to set n to s. So I am saying int n equals s, but this cannot work normally because s is a double variable or is of type double while n is of type int, and we cannot take a value 3.2 which is a double value and assign it to an integer variable. So in order to assign this variable of the value of s to n, we have to convert s to an integer, and we can do that through casting. So to convert this double to an int, I am simply going to add a set of parentheses before the variable name s, like this, and then within this parentheses I can specify the type which I want to convert this variable to. So presently it's a double because we declared s as a double, but I can specify another data type within this parentheses which I want to convert the variable s to. So I'm going to write int. This indicates that I want to convert the value of s to an integer because I want to store it in an integer variable called n. And note that when I'm converting the value of s, it doesn't mean the value of s will be permanently changed to an integer. It is still going to be a double variable as we declared it, but in this particular instance where we write this statement, it is going to be considered an integer. Now let me display the values of s and n. Okay, let's save this and execute now. So we see it is displayed s equals, oh, I forgot to write s here, so let me just correct this quickly and I'll run it again. So now we see it is displayed s equals 3.2 and n equals 3. This is because the value 3.2 has been converted to an integer value on this line in order to be assigned to the variable n. And when we are converting a double to an int, we simply ignore whatever is after the decimal point and we take only the whole number before the decimal point. So that is why n is equal to 3. So that is casting in Java.